In this video, I will show you exactly how to make your NotebookLM audio overviews longer and more comprehensive by using the customization settings. I'll start by heading to the main dashboard and clicking the Create New button to begin a fresh project workspace. Once the source selection window pops up, I'll choose the Upload Files option and select the specific PDF document I want the AI to analyze and discuss. After the source finishes processing and appearing in the list, I'll move over to the Studio section on the right-hand side and click the Customize button located on the Audio Overview card. Inside the Customization menu, I'll keep the format as a Deep Dive to ensure a natural flow, but the most important step for getting more content is switching the length setting from default to long. To give the AI hosts even more to talk about, I'll choose a suggested chip for Technical Deep Dive to provide even more structural guidance for the final conversation. These detailed instructions and custom length settings will result in an audio summary that explores the technology in much greater depth than a standard generation. Finally, I'll click Generate, and NotebookLM will start crafting a significantly longer and more informative audio experience that perfectly matches my specific requirements. Once it's done generating, you will see the audio appears in the studio list. I can now click that to listen to it, and I can notice that the audio is significantly longer and more comprehensive than a standard generation. I can even use the Join button to enter the interactive mode, allowing me to participate in the conversation and extend the discussion even further based on the detailed technical sources provided. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.